Hello dear children, hope all doing good. So welcome to English session, and in this session we're going to learn about grammar. So today's topic in grammar is parts of speech, right? Everybody know parts of speech. As you can see in that picture, you can see noun, verbs, adjective, pronouns, prepositions, interjections and conjunctions. Okay, and all these are the parts of speech, correct? So we're going to learn about parts of speech, about all the things whatever I have read it just now. So let's learn about it. So in parts of speech we have 8 types, correct? In parts of speech we have 8 types. The first one is noun, second one is pronoun, third one is verb, fourth one is adjective, fifth one is adverb, sixth one is preposition, seventh one is conjunction, eighth one is interjection. Now I wanted you all people to say it loudly. Let's see the first one. Everybody know all about this. I'm just brushing up with this topic. So noun. So definition of noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing or animal, correct? Now examples I can give you: cat, fireman, house, pencil, Chicago. So these are the nouns. The second type of part of speech is pronoun. The meaning of pronoun, you know this also, right? A word which is used in place of a noun. A word which is used in a place of a noun is called as pronoun. For example, he, she, it, they, you, we. So these are the examples of pronoun. The next type is verb. Verb. What is a verb? A verb is a word that tells what someone or something does. In a simple word, in a simple term, I can say action word. You know action, right? What is an action? Doing something. Very good. Action is doing something. When you do something, it is considered as a verb, right? A verb is a word that tells what someone or something does. For example of verb: sit, laugh, run, jump, sing, eat. So these are the examples of verb. The next type is adjective. What's the next type? Adjective. Now definition of adjective is it is a word used to describe a noun, right? Noun. You sometimes you keep names for your friends, right? Right? You keep some names for your friends which describe your friends, like you say lazy boy, okay, lazy Ravi. So how is a Ravi? Lazy. So lazy is an adjective for Ravi. So example of adjectives are happy, sad, red, green, short, tall, fat, hairy. I can give an example. This ball is red in color. So ball is a noun, right? And what color of ball it is? It is a red color. So red is an adjective. So adjectives are a word used to describe a noun. The next type of speech is adverb. What is the next type? Adverb. Adverb can be added to a verb to modify its meaning. Okay, so adverb. So you're going to add something to a verb. You're going to add to something to the verb, right? Which can change the meaning or modify the meaning of the verb. Okay, or tells you when, where, how, in what manner, or to what extent an action is performed. And many times this adverb ends with ly, okay, but some do not. Understood? So sometimes this adverbs end with li and sometimes doesn't. For example, cheerfully, right? Briskly, fastly, loudly, angrily, later, everywhere. These are the examples of adverb. Now next one is preposition. What's the next one? Very good. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun, a pronoun, to show its relationship to some other word in a sentence. So it's a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun, okay, which shows the relationship with the other word in a sentence. For example, to, with, against, by, from, at, for, across, in. So right, the rat is under the box, the rat is over the box, right? The rat is in the box, the rat is on the box, the rat is in front of the box, the rat is behind the box, the rat is next to the box. So these are the words how we'll use in prepositions. So these are the prepositions, which is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relationship to some other word in the sentence. Conjunction. The next one is conjunction. Conjunction is a word used to connect two words. Okay, conjunction is a word which connects the other two words and given meaning. Right? For example, and Sham and Ram. Sham and Ram are brothers. So and is a conjunction. Because I ate fully because it was a tasty food, right? So these are the two the word which you use to connect the two words or two sentences are called as conjunctions. And the last one is interjection. Interjection is a word that expresses a strong or sudden emotion. Okay, expression is sudden emotions, and it has an exclamation mark, right? Where you have emotions, right? You say, "Oh dear," right? When somebody is saying very sad things, "Oh dear." When you say "wow," wow is used for when you are surprised, right? Ouch, ouch is nothing but when you get hurt something, right? So these are the words which we use as an interjections where you have out of your sudden strong emotions, right? These words have come out from your sudden expression, and this is called as interjections. So parts of speech: practice, direction. Please identify the correct part of speech for each word in the sentence on the following slides. Make sure to write the entire sentence and correct the letters neatly above each word. So this is an activity which I have given to you for practicing purpose. Follow the instructions. So I'll just tell you the instructions. So N stands for noun, P stands for pronoun, V stands for verb, ADV stands for adverb, P stands for preposition, C stands for conjunction, ADJ stands for adjective, and I stand for interjection. So I have given you the practice where there are 5 questions, and you have the directions also, right? So where you have to write noun, pronoun and all. So practice it carefully, and if you have any doubts, please let me know. And I hope you enjoyed your class, and hopefully you will do well. Thank you. Have a good day.